If you're into DIY projects, custom logos, wood cutting, or laser engraving, this TwoTrees TTS-10 Pro is an interesting machine to check out. This is the TwoTrees TTS-10 Pro, and the listing describes it as an 80-watt laser engraving machine designed for both DIY users and professional applications. One of the main highlights is its stainless steel frame, which is designed to provide a stable and durable platform during engraving and cutting. And when it comes to materials, this machine is designed to work with a variety of options, including wood, acrylic, MDF, and certain metal applications. That makes it useful for creating things like custom logos, signs, decorations, personalized products, and detailed designs. Another interesting feature is the machine's smart device connectivity and control, which is intended to make operation easier and more convenient. The compact design is also worth mentioning. The package measures around 52 by 20 by 18 centimeters, and the listed weight is approximately 3.5 kilograms, so compared with larger laser machines, this one should be easier to move around and store. It's also available with EU and US plug options, and the seller lists shipping from multiple locations, including China, Germany, Mexico, the UAE, Brazil, South Africa, Russia, and the United States, depending on availability. The machine is also listed as CE and RoHS certified, which are useful certifications to look for when considering equipment like this. Now, there's something important I want to point out about the product description. The listing mentions both TTS-10 Pro 80-watt and TTS-55 Pro in the title, so I strongly recommend checking the exact model, laser power, working area, and included accessories before placing an order. Laser engraver listings can have multiple configurations, and the specifications may differ between versions. And of course, laser safety is extremely important. A high-power laser can cause serious eye and skin injuries, and can also create a fire risk. Always follow the manufacturer's safety instructions, use appropriate laser-rated protective equipment, provide proper ventilation or fume extraction, and never leave the machine operating unattended. Also, make sure the material you're working with is actually suitable for laser processing. Some materials can produce dangerous fumes when heated. The current listed price is around $141.92, compared with the original listed price of $375.56, which is shown as a 62% discount. Prices and configurations can change, so check the listing for the latest information before purchasing. If you want to check out the TwoTrees TTS-10 Pro, click the link in the description below to buy and see the latest price, available configurations, and specifications. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, DIY tools, laser machines, workshop equipment, and interesting gadgets.